Join me in painting this beautiful Christmas card using watercolor. This is the fifth painting in Watercolor Christmas card series. This is the sketch needed for this painting, and the link to the sketch is given in the description from where you can download the image. I start by wetting the background. There is a gap between the wet area and the masking tape. Be careful not to wet inside the sketch of a boy. Next, I mix indigo with violet. Using that mix, I'm painting the background. There is excess water on the paper, so using a damp brush, I try to absorb all the excess watercolor pigment on the paper. After absorbing the watercolor pigment, I use a waistcloth to make the brush damp. I want the background to be even more dark, so I'm giving another layer of the same background color, that is a mix of violet and indigo. My paper is still wet while painting the second layer of the background. I'm using a mop brush to paint the background. When I want to give the details near the boy, I use a round pointed brush. After painting the background, tilt board in all directions to let the pigment gather near the edges. Use a damp brush to absorb the collected pigment. This is an important step which helps to avoid formation of cauliflower effect. I mix vermilion hue with little amount of orange and brown to get the skin tone, and using the light value of the mix I painted his face. I'm painting his jacket and his pant using Payne's Grey. While painting the cloth, give some light values and dark values as shown in the video to give the realistic effect of a cloth. You can see there is a white area intentionally left between the legs to visually distinguish between the legs. Also, you can see the pant of one leg is darker than the other. Next, I'm painting his hat using light value of vermilion hue. Using brown color, I paint the shadow part of the hat. I splatter some acrylic white for the stars on the night sky. Next, using same acrylic white, I paint the Bethlehem star. Don't use your watercolor brush to splatter the acrylic paint. Use some synthetic brush. Also, you can see I'm using an old synthetic brush to paint the Bethlehem star. At last, I'm painting the shadow of the boy on the ground using the background color, that is the mix of indigo and violet. Using the light value of this mix, I paint the shadow. We reached the end of this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.